everyone, this is Rishi Ghosh from Freshers Camp, back again with regular updates of job notification, be it IT jobs, diploma jobs, government jobs or any other job notification. We also provide you with regular announcements of off-campus job or walk-in jobs held in all over India. Today in this video, here I am with the latest announcement of the Amazon Job Recruitment 2023 hiring freshers. If you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do like, share, subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for more further updates. Amazon is an American multinational technology company expertised in digital streaming, online campaigning and cloud computing and digital services, many more. Amazon has announced an off-campus hiring in its official career website. Candidates who are interested can apply from the registration link which have been given in our description box, and all the candidates are requested to go through the detailed information before applying for the post. Candidates having any degree from the batches of 2021 to 2023 can apply for this post of Digital Content Associate. The job location will be Chennai, India, and the candidates can expect up to 2.9 lakh per annum. Candidates should be able to complete the work and meet deadlines in a fast-paced environment. Should be a self-starter and a good team player. Strong attention to detail in editing content and deep dive. Should be able to identify the root causes of the issues. Should be good at data analysis, content editing and troubleshooting issues related to the content field. Good interpersonal skills to manage the ongoing relationships with software team. Working knowledge of XML should be taken as an extra advantage. Knowledge of experience in publishing industry is a big plus. Should be able to write SQL queries. So I hope this video was useful to you. So thank you for watching and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for more further updates. This is Rishi Ghosh on Freshers Camp, back again with regular updates of job notification from all over India. Till then, see you.